Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to do the number names. I have already sent you some of the numbers to write the spellings of it, right? So I hope that you have did it. Then I have sent you number names and I told you to write the numbers. So you're going to send this image to me after solving it. Okay? Now in the online session today we are going to learn about, here some numbers are given. We are going to write these numbers in the places of 100, tens and the units. Okay? So here first of all read this number. So this number is 429. So when you read this number 429, it shows it's a place value 2. So as we read the number, the same way the place value of that number is it. So here we are going to write that number as we pronounce the number. This number is 429. So when the place value of this number is asked, which number will come at the 100 place from this? It's a 3-digit number. When the place value of this number is asked, so which number will come at the 100th place? So as we say the number 429, so which number will come at the place of 100? 4. Then tens, 20. So 2 will come at the tens place and 9 will come at the unit place. So here 400 and 2 tens and the 9 units. That means 429. Now I will take one more example. 402. So which number will come at the 100 place? 4. Now at the tens place 0 is there, so we will write 0 here. The next number is 2. So 2 will come at the unit place. So here 402, here 4 will come, here 0 will come and here 2 will come. Now the next is write place value. We have seen 100, tens and the units. The same way here we are going to write the place value of this given number. Now as we read the number, the same way the place value of that number is only 120. So as we said 120, so the place value of this 120, we will write it as a 100 plus 20. At the 100 place 1 is there, so here we will write 100, then plus 2 tens means 20 and 0 is at the unit place, so we will write here 0. Okay, now see the next number 675. So as we said this number, here what will come? 600 is the place value of a 6, 70 is the place value of 7 and the place value of 5 is 5 because it is at the unit place. So I hope that you understand this. These numbers are there. You are going to write the place value of these numbers. Even we called it as an expanded form. Not only place value, but we called it as a expanded form too. Let's play an activity. You are going to choose the correct letter. Here the strips are given. In these strips expanded forms are written and all the strips are labeled with alphabets. That means with the letters. So you are going to choose the correct alphabet and you are going to write that alphabet or the letter in the box. Okay. So here number 300 is there. So you are going to choose the correct strip which shows the expanded form of the number 300. Yes. So this strip with the letter G shows it is the expanded form of 300. 300. So here 300 plus at the tens place 0 is there, so we have written 2 zeros, and at the unit place 0 is there, so we have written 1 0 over here. So in the box we will write G. Okay, now the next 888. Here you can see the strips. Yes, it's a C. Which one? It's a C. Very good. Next is fill the boxes. Last year in the third standard we have learned about it. I will just give you one of the two examples, then you can solve it. Here the two examples are there. Just see 19 tens. 19 tens means how many hundred and the how many tens? 19 tens. So 19 tens means 19, and this tens means one more 0 at the unit place, right? So you have 190. So 190 means 100 and a 9 tens. So 9 tens means 90. Got it? Now 603 tens. 600 and a 3 tens means 30. Correct? So 630. So how many tens? So we have to take this 0 as a tens. Okay? So how many tens? 63 tens. Now this one is the easiest for you to solve. 12 tens means how many hundred and how many tens? Yes, it's a 100 and a 2 tens. 300 and a 2 tens means how many tens? 300 and a 20. 300 and 2 tens means 300 and a 20. So 320 means how many tens? 32 tens. I hope that you got it. Now we are going to play a game. In this game you are going to take your friend name, and that friend will complete the task that you will give. Suppose you tell him or tell her to write the number, then then your friend will write the number. If you said the number, then he will write the spelling of it. Okay? Or even you can ask your friend about the place value too.